the skill that matters more than money right now. Everyone talks about money, saving it, protecting it, stretching it. But what if I told you there's something even more important right now? A skill. Hi, for those that don't know me, I'm Holly, and I want to share something I wish more people understood sooner because for years we were taught to focus on one thing: income equals security. But today, that that's no longer true on its own because money can come and go, but a skill that creates opportunity. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like things are changing faster than you expected? Technology, work, income, even retirement. It's not what it used to be, and that can feel super overwhelming. I remember thinking, after decades in one industry, how am I supposed to learn something new now? But here's what I did realize: it's not about mastering everything, it's about being willing to learn something that opens a door. Think of it like this: money is like water in your hand, it can slip right through your fingers. But a skill, that's the well. You can keep drawing from it. And right now, the people who are adapting, excuse me, learning, trying something new, they're the ones creating stability. Not because they have more money, but because they have more options, and options equal control. So the real question becomes, are you holding on to what you know or open to what's possible? Because the world isn't slowing down, and waiting doesn't protect you anymore. Learning does. And no, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. It just has to be a decision, a willingness to say, I'm open to something different. So if this resonates with you, watch the next video on my channel where I break this down step by step, and subscribe if you want clarity without confusion. The right skill doesn't just earn income, it actually creates freedom. And that's what it's all about: to enjoy your life to the ultimate fulfillment. Oops.